To get started, make a slip knot. After making your slip knot, you are going to make chains that stretches to your hip size, and these chains must be in multiples of 5. So go ahead and make your chains. I have worked a total of 140 chains, and my hip size is between 37 and 38 inches. So this stretches to my hip size. Okay, it stretches to 37 inches. After you've had your total number of chains, you are going to slip stitch in the very first chain. Make a slip stitch in the first chain. To get started on round 1, you are going to chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After chaining 8, you are going to skip 4 chains and place 1 double crochet in the next chain. So skip 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and place 1 double crochet in the next chain. Okay, after that, chain 5. After chaining 5, skip 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, then place 1 double crochet in the next chain. Again, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After chaining 5, skip 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and place 1 double crochet in the next chain. You are going to repeat chain 5, skip 4 chains, place 1 double crochet in the next chain. Chain 5, skip 4 chains, place 1 double crochet in the next chain. Repeat that all the way around until you have 4 chains left. To finish off the round, chain 5. And then skip the remaining chains and make a slip stitch in the 3rd chain of the beginning chain 8. 1, 2, 3, slip stitch in that 3rd chain. Okay, to get started on round 2, chain 8. After chaining 8, place 1 double crochet in the next double crochet stitch. Then chain 5. After chaining 5, place 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Again, chain 5. After chaining 5, place 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, you are going to repeat chain 5, place 1 double crochet in the next stitch, chain 5, place 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat that all the way around until you get to your last stitch. To finish off round 2, you are going to chain 5 and then slip stitch in the 3rd chain of the beginning chain 8. 1, 2, 3, slip stitch. For the next round, we are going to repeat round 2. So chain 8. After chaining 8, place 1 double crochet in the next stitch. then chain 5. After that, place 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Again, chain 5. After that, place 1 double crochet in the next stitch. You are going to repeat chain 5, double crochet in the next stitch, chain 5, double crochet in the next stitch. Repeat that all the way around until you get to your last stitch. So to finish off this round, you are going to chain 5, and then make a slip stitch in the third chain of the beginning chain 8. 1, 2, 3. From here forward, you are going to repeat this last round continuously until you get to the length that you want your skirt to be. Okay, I am done working my skirt. I have worked a total of 24 rows. My skirt measures about 13 inches. Okay, at this point you can stop here if you want. Okay, so you can skip over to the portion of the video where I show you how to attach the waist tie. For me, I am going to go ahead and work some ruffles on each side of the skirt. Okay, so let's do that together. After working your last round, to work the ruffles, you are going to turn to the side of your dress like so. We are going to be placing stitches into each of these chain 3 spaces. Okay, so turn your work and then slip stitch into the very first space, then chain 3. After chaining 3, you are going to place 9 double crochets in that same space. We have placed 2 double crochets so far. You are going to go ahead and place 7 more double crochets to make it 9 double crochets in total. I have worked 9 double crochets in the space, so in total you are going to have 10 stitches, including the beginning chain 3. So let's count together. This is my beginning chain 3, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, after that you are going to come to the next space and place 10 double crochet stitches. So remember, this is what your stitches looks like so far. We are going to place stitches in each of these spaces. All right, so in the next space, place 10 double crochet stitches. This is what we have so far. After placing 10 double crochets in the space, in the next one you are going to place 10 double crochets. Okay, so you are going to place 10 double crochets in each of the spaces all the way across until you have one space left. So this is the very first round. You are going to stop here. This last space will be used for the waist tie. All right, so stop right here. After placing 10 double crochets in this second to last space, you are going to chain 1 and fasten off. Now that we are done working ruffles on one side of the skirt, you are going to come to the other side of the skirt and locate the stitches that falls directly on the side of the skirt. So these are the stitches that falls on the side of my skirt. So that means I'm going to be working my ruffles on these stitches. But if you want to be super accurate, you can go ahead and count out the stitches like so, and then divide your skirt equally into 2 parts. Okay, after you've located the stitches where you will work your ruffles in, you are going to place a stitch marker in one of the spaces. All right, for the first ruffle we had worked from the bottom up, but for this other side we are going to work from the top down. Okay, so come to the very first round of your skirt, which is here, and then come to the row where you will work your ruffles. Mine is right here. Okay, you are going to come to the second space, skip this very first space, come to the second space and attach your yarn. After attaching your yarn, chain 3 and then place 9 double crochets in that same space. In total, you should have 10 double crochet stitches, including the beginning chain 3. After that, you're going to come to the next space and place 10 double crochet stitches. There you go. So just like you did for these other ruffles, you are going to place 10 double crochet stitches in each of the spaces. All right, take out your stitch marker, place 10 double crochet stitches in each space until you get to the very last space. After placing 10 double crochets in your last space, you're going to chain 1 and fasten off. Now that we are done with the ruffles, the last thing we are going to do is work our waist tie. I worked a total of 250 chains for my waist tie. Okay, after you've worked your waist tie, you are going to come to the very first round of your skirt and then locate the middle space, either the middle space or the middle stitch, whichever works for you. So this is my middle space. Okay, I'm going to bring it up. So this is my middle space. Now using my hook, I'm going to go under the stitch and then pull through my waist tie. Okay, after that I'll skip the next stitch, go under the next one, or sorry, go behind the next one and then pull through the waist tie. Again, skip the next stitch, go behind the next stitch and pull through the waist tie. So you're going to keep doing that all the way around. Okay, so this is why I have my ruffles. I'm going to skip this one and then go behind the next one. So just do that all the way around. I have looped my tie all the way around and I have this one stitch left. I'm supposed to resurface right here. So what I'm going to do is just I'll just go under this one as well. Okay, and yeah, that's it. All right, my loves, at this point we are done with our skirt. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye.